Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be doing our January Boxycharm unboxing. It's crazy to think that we already are in the year 2021. Like, how did time fly so fast? So I'm going to be doing this a little bit different than I usually do it, just because I always like switching things around just kind of to see what works best. I actually received all three of my boxes pretty much at the same exact time. So if you guys didn't know, Boxycharm does send me a box every single month so that I can share with you guys, as well as the box. I still have my Boxycharm subscription for both my base, luxe, and premium, which I say base luxe as one because my luxe box is the upgrade every 3 months. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly makeup subscription that is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size items. They're usually really great quality. It's up to like $120 value, sometimes even more. I know this month's box is worth way more than $120. I think it's almost close to $200. With Boxycharm, you are able to pick out one of your items every single month to kind of customize it a little bit so that you at least know one of the items that you're going to get and you can be happy with getting that item. So if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I do have a link down below that you guys can sign up through. I don't get any like commission or anything off of that if you guys sign up. So we're gonna jump right into the box. So this one's theme is Boxycharm Fresh Start, which I feel like we could all use one after the crazy year that 2020 was for us. And I honestly think that this is probably one of the best boxes that January, like Boxycharm, has had in a very long time. I always feel like January Boxycharm is kind of a big letdown and isn't always one of my favorite boxes, but this month I definitely can say that this is one of the best boxes that they've come out with for January. So jumping right into it, the first item that we got is this Avant Hyaluronic Marigold, all these other words that are right here, by Face Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenated Micellar Water. So this is what it looks like right here. If you guys don't know what micellar water it is basically a makeup remover slash skin cleanser. This would be really good if you just want to do like a waterless cleanser. I feel like this would be really nice. But this guy right here is really pricey. So it does retail for $90, but it is infused with replenishing ingredients, and since this isn't something that you technically need to wash off, like especially if you're using it in the morning as a like waterless cleanser, it will sit on your skin, so at least you will have that. And I really did like it. I feel like it does leave the skin feeling nice and plump and hydrated, which I feel like is the big theme for this month, which usually January tends to be like the month where it's like all about your skin and making it look amazing. So then the next item that we got is this Daily Greens, this Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. This is what it looks like right here. I absolutely love this moisturizer so much, and I was so happy that I got this moisturizer. It is an amazing moisturizer that's really gonna replenish the skin and give you long-lasting hydration without making your skin feel greasy. So if you have oily skin type, or if you have pores or anything like that, it's going to really help with making sure that your skin doesn't get greasy but still feels nice and moisturized and plump. And then I also got this in my other base box, the one that I paid for. This is the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner. So these are from the same exact line. I was so excited that I got both of these. This is just going to help with gently exfoliating your skin and cleaning out the pores, and also help with oil control as well. You could use it in the morning time, and you can also use it at night. You can do either or, just kind of depending. I suggest, because of the fact that this does have BHA in it, which is beta hydroxy acid, to start off using it maybe every other day and then kind of increasing it from there. If you already are using like BHAs and stuff like that, it's fine to use it every single day. You just kind of want to base it off of your skin sensitivity. It might tingle a little bit, like right here in this area is where my skin is the most sensitive. I don't know why, but it is the most sensitive in those areas, in this area right here. So when I applied it, it did tingle just a little tiny bit, but I did notice that my skin did feel nice and refreshed afterwards, and it didn't feel dry at all. Then we also got this Seraphine Botanical Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. So this is what it looks like. You can use it at nighttime by applying a thick layer, or you can use it during the daytime for a nice little tint. It does smell really good too. It smells just like apples, which I love, and it does give you beautiful fresh glow to the skin, to the lips, without it like feeling sticky or anything like that. Is the Violet Voss All of You Forever palette. This is what it looks like right here. It is absolutely stunning. I love Violet Voss eyeshadows. I think they are such great quality. They're very pigmented, blends out super easily, and they are at a really great price point too. And I really like this color story here. I love the fact that they added like mauves in here, as well as some olives and some peachier shades. So you can do something with your like more green shades, or you can do something with more of the gold shades. And I love that they included a matte black. I feel like a matte black is actually really essential for any eyeshadow. Like honestly, if I were to make my own like eyeshadow collaboration or eyeshadow palette, I would always include a brow bone shade, a crease shade, a black shade, and maybe a dark brown shade. Those would be my 4 mattes, and then I would probably maybe include some others, just depending, and a few shimmers that would work with it. I feel like those are your basic colors that always work no matter what. Last but not least in our base box is this Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm lip gloss. This is in the shade called Unprofessional. I was actually really shocked that this is actually a really pretty color. It kind of just looks like, you know, that little fresh rosy tint on your lip, but it's not like super bright and coral like the tube shows right here. I've never tried this brand before. This does cost $18, but I really like it. I think that it is a really gorgeous shade and definitely like ties in the whole entire box together. I also did receive this. This is one of my choice items for the base box that I purchased. This is the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer in the shade TN5. I do feel like this was a little tiny bit too light for my skin tone, and this is my winter shade right now. So I don't know if I would use this again, and it does give a really fresh glow to the skin and makes your skin look and feel really hydrated, and adds a little bit of coverage to the skin. But I did have to put on some concealer in other areas just to kind of perfect my skin a little bit more. Then also from my premium box, so this is another Boxycharm box that you can sign up for. It is $35 a month, and you always get like premium products, and it does retail for over $200. So and you get 6 items, 5 to 6, no 6, yeah, it's 6 items. So one of the items that I got is this Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. I haven't tried it yet, but it seems like a really great mask. You leave it on for 10 minutes and it's gonna just really give you nice hydration. It's something that if you travel a lot, this would be really, really nice, just to kind of make sure that your skin doesn't like get dehydrated. I wouldn't recommend putting it on the plane, but like after you get off the plane, I feel like this would be really, really nice. Or if you just live in a like drier environment, I feel like this would be really, really good. Then I also got the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color. This is in the shade Sienna. This was my choice item right here for my premium box. It is a gorgeous shade. I always like stick eyeshadows because I just feel like they are really easy to like apply on the eye. This probably wouldn't be the shade that I would personally go for, but I felt like it would really bring out my brown eyes, so that's why I picked it, but I did not use it today. Then I also got this Lashes MD eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. It's basically like an eyelash and brow serum to help your lashes and stuff grow. So I tried it out last night. It didn't irritate my eyes or anything like that or leave me with any stains. It is quite pricey. I think this retails for like $60 something. We also got this mascara from Fenty Beauty. This is the Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. I have it on my eyes right now, but I don't know if you can really see it because my wing liner is ginormous. Let's just talk about that. But I feel like it is a really nice mascara. See if it builds up, but it does give you definitely a lot of volume, and I felt like it really didn't weigh down the eyelashes at all. Right now I'm putting on a second coat, and this is already dry and it's not getting clumpy at all. I just personally like a tubing mascara because it's easier to take off at the end of the night. But I will say this is a nice mascara. I've gotten some really crappy ones in the past with Boxycharm, and this one is not one of them. There you go, just added a little bit more. Why not? Then we also got this from PMD. This is the Silver Pure Microfiber Makeup Removing Cloth. This is what it looks like right here. I did use it last night, and It's really soft, but this is not my preferred method of taking off my makeup. What I probably would actually do is probably do an oil cleansing balm and then use this with warm water to wipe it off of my face. That's just my personal preference because I think this tugs on your skin quite a bit, and it did make this area right here where I told you guys I get really sensitive, even more sensitive than it usually is. And then the last product is something that Ofra curated especially for Boxycharm. I think every single person that has a premium box got this palette. This is the Good To Go mini mix palette. This is what it looks like right here. It is absolutely phenomenal. You have a blush, a bronzer, some highlighters right here, some matte shadows, as well as some really pretty pops of color. I didn't use any of the eyeshadows on my eyes just because I forgot that this had eyeshadows in it. But it is a really great palette to just kind of take on the go and like do a nice fresh look. And this highlighter right here is absolutely phenomenal. That's what I have on my cheeks right now. So that is it for my Boxycharm unboxing. Overall, I think this was, again, one of the best January boxes. With all three of the boxes, honestly, they were really, really great. I feel like we got some really good products, some really good brands, and things that I would actually use. And I feel like it really tied in really well with the theme this month. With it being Fresh Start, I feel like it was very skincare centered, which I feel like works perfectly for the theme. I would rate my box, let's start with my first face box. So first face box, I'm gonna rate that one let's just go big or go home. We're gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because honestly, I loved every single product from that box. I think it was the best January box I've ever gotten. My second box, the one that I actually picked out, I'm gonna give that one an 8 out of 10, only because I did get to choose the shade of the tinted moisturizer, but I didn't like the shade that I got, so that's the only reason why I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. The premium box, I'm gonna give that one, it's not fair for me to really give it a score because I didn't use all the products, and one of them I don't really know how it works 100%, but I'm gonna give that one a 7 out of 10 just because the PMD cleansing, this thing right here, I don't really see myself using it too often. We'll see what happens with that. So anyways, if you guys are interested again in signing up for Boxycharm, definitely check out my link down below, and you guys can sign up with that link. It is $25 a month for your base box, $35 for a premium box, which you could get both of those boxes every single month. And then once every 3 months, they have an upgrade for your base box called Luxe, where you get 9 to 10 full-size items. It retails for like over $250, sometimes even $300, and you get some really great items. So you would get that in place of your base box for $50. So if you guys are interested in signing up, definitely check that out. And also let me know what items you guys got in your month's Boxycharm, if you guys did get your Boxycharm box, and what was your favorite item, what was your least favorite item. I'd love to chat. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure you guys do subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you guys are always informed as to when I post a new video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then.